All right, today we are going to patch a hole in a Hobby Mirage Pro Angular 14. We have a 200-watt plastic welding iron. Okay, we chose orange because this is an off orange, so I mean you're just gonna see the band-aid, folks, but we're gonna test it. I want to test it for the heat. It's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, you want to start where there's less stress, right? And we're going to start there, and we're going to start our patchwork, right? We're going to get it all nice and tacky, right? Come all the way around, get it all nice and tacky. All right, and what you can see, what I've kind of done here is I took some of my trout line that we use to run, obviously, jug lines and trout lines, and I threaded it through the actual screw holes that was there. And now you can see she's nice and up, nice and tight, 1 inch. Let it cool. Come on this side. Let that cool. And all I'm doing is using the tip, folks. As you can see right there, it shows you. And I'm pushing, pulling, pushing, pulling, pushing, pulling. Bam. Now we work on filling. So we really want this to be as hot as it can be, right? Get tacky. You ain't gotta press in. We're gonna do 1 inch, 1 inch. So there's about 1 inch, right?